Hello Harry, I'm Shahan Wicks from Audi Midtown. I'm here to demonstrate how to use your level 2 charger. Well, it's great that you got the level 2 charger set up with the 1450 NEMA plug. I'm just videotaping it here to show everyone. And with this plug, you can see here's the connection on the top. We're going to squeeze the button here, take down the cords like this, and bring it over to the car. Now you'll see there's a little square button here. We press on that one and wait for it. The car has to be unlocked. It lights up. We take this, start with the bottom end down and snap it into place. You'll notice the white light starts strobing there slowly, and then it'll change over to a green solid light. That'll start to blink. And a slow blink is what you want. That means it's charging. And then if we look on, they call it the pill, which is the charger, that's in green as well. So it's all good. Great connection there. And we have it set up for you. So it's a good thing that Audi Canada is actually giving you a credit up to $1,500 to install that for you. And let's just take a look inside to show you. Oh, hi Harry. Yep, and made a great purchase here. Oh, how's your wife? We got Shoosh over here, and there's your baby girl Katia. I see she's in the back seat. We got the latch system, and now we look over here and we can see that there is 33 minutes left for full charge on that. On there. So thank you, Harry, for allowing me to come to your place and show you how to install that. Now let's try taking it out as well. I think that's Grandpa in the background. We'll have to take a look and see. Let me show you how to take this off as well. Coming back around here, if we want to stop this, press the button again, wait for the white light, you can hear it. Press on this part and slowly pull out. There, and then you can snap this back into the holder for it, and then wrap your cord around here so it's not on the floor, like that. Okay, and then this automatically closes itself. So we can open and we can close this. Alrighty. Congratulations, sir, on your purchase, Harry. You made a great decision there with your e-tron. You notice how it's all lit up on the floor? Yeah. Good job. And many years of pleasurable driving. Yes, your wife is already fast asleep in the passenger seat there. She's enjoying the seats. I can tell on that. Yes. So we'll see you later. Oh, hi, Shush. How are you? Thank you for joining me. I'm Shahan Wicks at Audi Midtown.